What's up guys, Isaiah from Bro Industries. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the Pathfinder, what's been going on with that. So with our sweet new plasma table, we cut out the frame plates, we cut out the shock towers. I custom fabricated these bump mounts. You can see the little rubber bump mount right there, and the bump pad on the axle. Pretty sweet little setup right there. We'll go over to the other side in a second, take a look at the one that's painted. This is, or was, a plexiglass window and it cracked. So we made a piece of metal to fit there in its place. Also on the inside, put a crossbar over from shock tower to shock tower and obviously welded on top we did a pretty good gusset right there. So that shock tower welds onto a strip that was welded onto the frame, so it gets a lot more bite because it gets out an extra inch or two on each side. Obviously the other side's the same, got that bar goes across. That's going to be painted here soon. And then on the other side, I just finished painting this side. You can see it's got that nice glossy finish. So everything's gonna get painted, buttoned up, shocks are gonna go in. We're gonna make a synthetic, kind of like a seal right there to go around the shock so that dirt and mud and debris isn't gonna get inside the cab. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Alright, so quick little update here before I end this video. Our shock towers are fully welded in, they're fully painted, and the crossover support bar is done. I showed you that earlier in the video. Coilovers are bolted in. Limit straps are welded in and painted and bolted in. I did do a 2-inch compression before I did the tabs. So it has 1 inch to 2 inches of stretch before the shock even has any chance of bottoming out. So as you can see here, the rear axle, everything is now painted. The full 4-link is painted. We did go and have a brake line custom made, and I did custom make the brake lines here on the axles. I cut out these little tiny brake line zip tie tabs. Just put a couple of those in there just to keep everything in place. So yeah, the rear end is basically complete. So in the next video, we're pretty much going to be probably completing this truck and doing a complete walk around. We are pretty much done, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a wrap on this video. But yeah, check it out. So the only thing I have to do left on the brakes is I need to bolt down the T that we have there, but there's a screw hole up there, which is why I got the one with the little bolt loop. I gotta find where I put that screw. So yeah, there we go. Brand new fresh brakes, clean, trusted, linked rear end. Again, this is out of a 2001 Dodge Cummins 2500. It's got the Dana 60 and the Dana 70 pair, front and rear. So that being said, I just want to say thanks again for watching all our videos. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for the comments and the likes. All the subscribers. As of last night, we are up to 849 subscribers and counting. I'm going to finish up this video, get it posted, and hopefully we'll just keep going and keep going. So this one is basically almost done. We do need springs, drive shafts, a couple more things. I just want to give you a quick look here of the droop it has. I think we can go up probably another ½ inch, an inch or so. I just went till the straps got tight. But look at that down travel, you guys. That is insane. This build turned out so nice. This thing is gonna wheel like crazy. This thing is gonna be sick. We are also gonna be doing a spare tire carrier, rear bumper combination, rock sliders, and a full exo cage. But we're gonna get into that more in the next video. So that being said, thanks again for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.